Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, here's a tutorial on how to calculate correlation between multiple columns in Python using pandas and numpy libraries. In data analysis and statistics, correlation is a measure of the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two variables. However, it's also possible to calculate correlation between multiple columns in a dataset. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to do this using Python, specifically leveraging the pandas and numpy libraries. First, you need to import the libraries required for this task. We'll be using pandas for data manipulation and numpy for numerical operations. Next, load your dataset into a pandas data frame. For this tutorial, let's create a sample data frame with multiple columns. Now, we'll calculate the correlation matrix for all the columns in the data frame using the .corr method. The correlation matrix shows the correlation coefficient between each pair of columns in the data frame. The correlation coefficient ranges from -1 to 1, where optionally, you can visualize the correlation matrix using a heat map to get a better understanding of the relationships between variables. That's it. You've learned how to calculate the correlation between multiple columns in a data frame using Python. This can be particularly useful in data analysis and feature selection tasks, where understanding the relationships between variables is essential. The correlation matrix shows a perfect positive correlation, 1.0, between each pair of columns because we created the data frame with simple linear relationships for demonstration purposes. In real-world data, correlations would typically vary and may not be perfect. ChatGPT